Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delightful papaya drink, Paw Paw drink. So here we go. Okay, so here's my ripe papaya. I'm just going to cut it down, cut it this way. Alright, these are the seeds inside. These little black things are the seeds. So what I'm going to do, I am going to scrape out the seeds. I'm going to scrape out the seeds and then peel it and then cut it up into small pieces. Alright, so to make it easier for me, I'm going to cut it again into like about a quarter like this. I'm going to use a spoon to scrape out the seeds like that. You could put these seeds to, like, you know, just throw them in your yard and they will grow. You get a nice papaya tree. As long as you have space, land space, you could do that. And then I'm going to peel it, peel off the skin. Alright, let me show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so now I'm going to peel the pawpaw. Okay, so here's my piece of pawpaw. This is basically a quarter of the whole pawpaw that you saw earlier on. This is a good size pawpaw, so I'm not going to make much of the juice. I'm just basically going to cut it up into small pieces, nothing fancy. And this is going to go in the blender. Okay. So I'm going to put these pieces of pawpaw into my blender. This pawpaw is not that sweet. I didn't really plan to put any sugar, but I may have to put the sugar because the pawpaw is not that sweet. If the pawpaw is nice and sweet, you may not have to add any sugar. That's my opinion. Alright, and I think I'll put more pawpaw. That's not enough, so I'll be back. I'm adding here 1 cup of coconut water. Right, I'm going to add some ice, a few blocks of ice. Then I'm going to liquefy this. I'll be right back. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, granulated sugar. I just tasted it and it's not that sweet, so you could add honey if you wish, but I'm not a lover of honey, so I decided to use sugar. And I'm going to blend this again. Okay folks, so here's a refreshing glass of Paw Paw papaya drink. Absolutely delightful. Yeah, baby. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.